Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can play Monopoly Go. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Monopoly Go. So once you open that, you have two options. Either you need to create your account on Monopoly Go or you can play as a guest. So it is up to you. So it will take few seconds to complete this. Okay. And now you can see that this is the game and here you can see go, click on that option. So now you can see that I started playing this game. So here you need to see that you can add your friends as well. You can see your timeline, your dashboard. Okay, and click on that again. So now you can see that uh, I'm playing Monopoly Go right now. So this is the easy game. You not find any issue. And if you want, you can take money from here as well. And so basically you can see that 5 roll ready, and you simply need to click on that, and here you can see this is the easy game that you need to click here and you can play that. So this is the process to play Monopoly Go. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.